This is the Ertiga, Maruti's new people mover that's actually a very versatile vehicle. From the front, the car looks a lot like the Swift, and with good reason, as it is based on the Swift platform. From the side, it looks a little long, and that extra length has translated to more passenger space. The rear looks a little like the Honda Jazz.
Now, driving the Ertiga is a very familiar affair. If you've driven a Swift or an SX4 before, you will take to this car very easily. The controls are all the same. The layout of the dashboard is the same. So it just looks very familiar, very Maruti.
The Ertiga we are driving is powered by Maruti's new 1.4 litre K-series petrol engine that puts out 94 bhp of power and 130 Nm of torque. This is mated to a smooth, slick shifting 5-speed gearbox that actually gives the Ertiga good pulling power. The engine is pretty refined and the cabin is quiet. Maruti claims over 16 km to the litre with this engine. Now the middle row of the Ertiga has just about adequate legroom when you have a 6-footer sitting in the third row. But you get a few basic comforts around here. You get an armrest and you get independent AC vents for the rear seat passengers as well. And this is the first for Maruti. Now the last row of the Ertiga is fit for 2 people. And contrary to popular belief, this car actually has pretty decent legroom. Of course, the middle row passengers will need to sacrifice a little bit of legroom by sliding the seat forward. So at a pinch, if you want to carry 7 people in the Ertiga, you can.
Now, luggage space in the Ertiga is not all that much when you have all 3 rows of seats in place. In fact, you can just keep a couple of bags over here. But if you fold the last row of seats like this, you get plenty of luggage space. In fact, more than most sedans in its price segment.
The top-end ZXi version of the Ertiga we are driving comes with plenty of features. 2 airbags and ABS are standard. It has a dashboard that looks like the Swift with similar steering audio controls and multi-information display. Mirrors are power adjustable. However, you only get manual air conditioning in all variants of the Ertiga. Although the Maruti Ertiga is being positioned as a multi-purpose vehicle or MPV, it really is more of a car than an MPV. Its handling characteristics are like that of a car and the ride quality is very good. The Ertiga will appeal to large family buyers who want to travel long distances together. It can be used as a 5-seater with lots of luggage space or a 7-seater with moderate space for a quick trip to the mall. All in all, the Ertiga is one very versatile vehicle and actually a good alternative to a sedan.